Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Quora marketing video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of Quora on behalf of your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate Quora marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos, ready to show you the latest video marketing strategies. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Video number 1. What is Quora all about? Video number 2. Setting up Quora for marketing. Video number 3. Using Quora features to market your business. Video number 4. Posting your marketing videos on Quora. Video number 5. Using Quora to engage your audience. Video number 6. Repurposing your blog's content for Quora. Video number 7. Creating backlinks on Quora. Video number 8. Setting up a Quora ad campaign. Video number 9. Setting up a traffic campaign on Quora. Video number 10. Setting up a remarketing campaign on Quora. Video number 11. Cross-promoting your Quora content on social. Video number 12. Reviewing your performance on Quora. Video number 13. Growing your business through the Quora Flywheel. Video number 14. Formatting your Quora answers the right way. Video number 15. Crazy simple Quora strategies to boost your brand. Video number 16. Tips that will help you create thought-provoking Quora answers. Video number 17. Quora marketing do's and don'ts. Video number 18. Quora marketing premium tools and services to consider. Video number 19. Quora marketing success stories. Video number 20. Quora marketing frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of Quora on behalf of your business. I know you'll love this training.